we're looking how to carry out titration calculations. We are told that the concentration of sodium carbonate is 0.0493 moles per litre, and we figured out how to work that out in a previous video. We're given this equation, this chemical equation here. 2 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of sodium carbonate, and we're asked to calculate the concentration of HCl in moles per litre. Below are the readings of the burette, and that's the link to a video on how to read a burette. HCl is in the burette, and 10 milliliters of sodium carbonate is in the conical flask. Here are the black figures are the results, and the titer volume each time is simply the difference between the final and the initial. So 14.00 minus 0.20 is 13.8. 27 minus 14 is 13, etc., etc., etc. And as we look at those values, we can see that this one is an outlier. So we're going to ignore it, and we're going to pay attention. We need 3 concordant values, 3 values that are close, and those are those. And then we work out the average of those. So 13 plus 13.2 plus 13.1 equals, divided by 3, is 13.10. And the first thing you should do for all of these things is always convert milliliters into liters. So you get 13.10 is 0.01310 liters, because you divided that by 1,000. And then we draw up this grid. In this grid, it's going to have some things that we work out, but right now it just has the things that we know. There are 2 moles of HCl react with 1 mole of sodium carbonate. The concentration of sodium carbonate is 0.0493, because that's what we were told there. The volume of sodium carbonate is 0.01 liters, because that's what we were told there. And the volume of hydrochloric acid is 0.1310 liters, because that's what we calculated there. So that just writes down what we know. And then we start to make some calculations. We can work out N, the amount in moles of sodium carbonate, using C times V. C is the concentration, 0.0493. V is the volume in liters, 0.010, to give us 0.000493. Next, we can work out the amount in moles of HCl. And it's simply this number times 2, because 2 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of sodium carbonate. So 2 lots of 0.000493 is 0.000986. And then finally, we calculate the concentration of HCl. And it's N divided by V, the amount in moles, 0.000986, divided by the volume, 0.01310, to give us 0.07526. And then, of course, we give it a unit, moles per litre, and we round it to 3 significant figures, 0.0753.